Hello, my name is Marco Novo, and today I want to ask you, have you ever attempted to climb Mount Everest? Well, climb Everest is like building a business. It's very hard, it's very difficult, but if you make it, it's going to be the most rewarding thing you ever done, right? The view is the best at the top, but you just don't wake up one day and start climbing Mount Everest, right? You need to learn about it, you need to educate yourself, you need a bunch of information, how much is it gonna cost, you need a coach. We're here to coach you, we are your guide in this journey, right? So if you're thinking about climbing Mount Everest, we have a program for you. Click below on box number 1. Box number 1 is a community where we are gonna provide you with the right mindset, right? To build a business or to climb Mount Everest, you need to have the right mindset. It's one of the most important things when you start, right? That's why athletes have psychologists to get in on the right mindset. So we're gonna give you the right mindset. We're gonna give you success stories from entrepreneurs who's done it before, so you can learn what not to do and what to do. So we'll give you those case studies, those interviews. We'll teach you how to test your product with among family and friends, and then maybe start doing catering events so you can really get focus groups and feedback to get the right product. Start getting your branding, your name, your logo, right? That's the ideation phase. So if you're thinking about climbing this mountain, click on box number 1 below, right? If you already have your recipe, your menu, your brand, your logo, right? You already made a few catering events, maybe among friends, family, or your kids' private party, anything like that, that you've proven that everybody likes what you do, and you're ready to take the next step, click on box number 2. That's what we call the Food Truck MBA program. In that program, we're going to coach you and help you develop a professional business plan with financial projections so you can get funded. So if you're ready to take that step, click on the box number 2. It's going to be limited seated. That's going to start at the end of next month in October. It's going to be the first beta version, so it's going to be free, but it's going to be limited seating, so get your space below. If you already did all your homework, you're ready to take the next step, and you're ready to buy your gear so you can start climbing, right? You don't climb Mount Everest with sandals. You need the proper equipment, right? Sandals are going to break 2 miles up Mount Everest, right? So you need proper equipment, and if you're ready to get your gear so you can climb the mountain, click on box number 3 and set an appointment with one of our coaches so we can tell you all about the best equipment to build a food truck business. With that being said, see you in the Philippa site. Click on your bucket and we'll start the training for climbing Mount Everest with your food truck.